The titles are the only piece of text that are visible to the YouTube user whenever he or she sees any video listed. So it's definitely the most important piece of content that you will feed YouTube. It's important for search too, because the keywords that you target in the title will have a very strong weightage and will be more important for YouTube than keywords targeted anywhere else in the content. So make sure that you target your best keywords in the title, and in fact I suggest that you try to start your title with the keyword itself whenever that's possible. The second point that I want to recommend is to use the entire title space available. Now YouTube would give you something like 140 characters to utilize, and if you're utilizing any less than that, you are wasting important real estate, because the title will give you a very good chance to get ranked if you target your keywords in the title itself. If you target your keyword in descriptions or the keywords, there is a lower chances of getting ranked. So in the title, try to target good keywords. Don't be satisfied with just one keyword whenever possible, and try to target more. Don't be afraid of having a long title. As long as it's legible, it's sensible. I want you to think about titles as an ad, as an advertisement for your video. Treat it like a catch line, a catchphrase that must entice the user to click on your video. Whenever your video is listed among other videos on YouTube, it has a lot of competition. It is competing with the other 10-20 videos on the same page. The only way to get people to click on your video is to have very good presentation, and the title is very important for that. Make the title catchy and you will get many more visitors. Now let's see how to write a good title on YouTube. After you finish uploading the video to YouTube, you will see a screen that looks something like this. And this is where you type in your title. I'm gonna create a title for this video. It looks like it's something connected to food, so maybe I will type something about food here. Hold on. Okay, so I have a title. It's an okay sort of title because it's action-oriented title. It's a list-based title, so maybe people would click on it. And I'm targeting the keyword easy Christmas dishes, and I'm starting the title right with the keyword, so there is fine chance of ranking for this keyword if the competition is not so high. But as you notice, there is a lot of space left, and as a smart marketer, I want to target that space. I want to use that space because I know that Google will index the title and treat it as the most important piece of text that I feed it. So if I target keywords in the title, there is a very strong chance that I will be returned for those keywords. So let me target some more keywords. But frankly, I can maybe put in about 20-30 words more, and I should, but you get the drift, and I don't want to spend more time thinking about writing a good title for you. So the point is, you should try to put in a title that's long enough. Of course, if you go too long like this and you try to save the title, Google will tell you that your setting could not be saved because your title is too long. Actually, Google gives you around 140 characters to write your title, and you should try to use as much of it as possible. Now when you click Save Changes, the title would be saved because it's within the limit. Now we have targeted 3 different keywords. Make these Christmas dishes today. Maybe I can make Christmas dishes. That could be one title. Or it could be quick Christmas dishes, or 25 easy Christmas dishes. So we targeted 3 different keywords in the title. That's a pretty smart move because it gives Google a lot of opportunity to return my video whenever these keywords are searched. So here are the rules for you. Write titles that utilize all the space. Try to begin the title with your best keyword, and utilize the space to write about multiple keywords or target multiple keywords if you can in the titles. But make sure your title is still readable.